Hi, welcome back to Sawmill Explained. We're going to look at some of the profile options from the main profiles menu. We can get to view reports here. We can get to all of the config options. That's available on another video. What we're looking at now is these three. We're going to be able to edit the name of the profile, just by editing that. We can duplicate a profile for a special set of logs, or we can delete them. Remember, the duplicate profile doesn't have the database built yet. The existing profile has got the database, the new one hasn't, so you're going to need to build that database. Okay, thanks for watching.